So, good night, people. We are talking more actresses from Richard Brown films, and in this one, we're talking to Miss Fowler. So, questions as usual. And you can drop some of the comments because I think she will hang out in other videos and da 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 da. So, Miss Fowler, good evening.
Alright, hello guys. Again, I'm Chantel Fowler, and I'm a new actress of Richard Brown films.
So, where are you from?
I'm currently from Augustine.
Augustine in Kingston, huh?
Yes.
Alright, so have you ever done any acting before?
No, I have not.
So, what interests you in acting? What makes you want to act?
What makes me want to act is that I want to like perform, like play different roles and things.
Alright, so question. So is this the first time since seeing Richard Brown films? Is it the first time, like since? Is that the thing that made you interested in acting?
Yes.
Oh, cool. So what was your passion before?
What was my passion before?
What did you want to do? Like, yeah, like what was your passion before?
My passion before was I always say I want to become a model because I have the face and people comment and told me that I have the face and we just have the thing about modeling. So
Alright, cool. Feel it with that tension in the room, feel like we're nervous. So we're just lighten up right now.
yeah.
So, alright, tell me a little bit about high school then. Tell me about high school.
Alright,
High school is that then?
Which high school is it? Attend Mavis Bank.
Where is that?
That's near Blue Mountain.
Blue Mountain. Tell me about high school days. What are some of the things about high school that stand out there?
Alright, in high school, it was cool, and the most thing I like about it is when is practical class, which is food and nutrition. That was my passion. That I wanted to become a chef and thing, but thing wasn't working out well. So yeah, just
Come talk to me now, because I feel like a chef thing I really passionate about.
yes, but
And so, why it didn't work out?
why it didn't work out is that
Personal?
financial thing.
I mean, come on, we never have enough money. I see my dad got come see it to me, never have enough
Never
money.
have
So,
enough
so I feel like later in life I could have
Yes.
probably used this to go back. So cooking is what you're really passionate about.
Yeah, and well, the thing about me, I like to give jokes, but sometimes it just don't work.
Alright, tell me one joke. Put up on the spot, man. I know. But you like tell jokes, I can't come up with one joke quick, can't tell me. Let me see if I laugh. Share hunt for your best joke, people. Take your time, take your time.
I'm thinking about one. Yeah.
Alright, no pressure. So, I figure out you're passionate about cooking. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken.
Curry chicken, fried chicken?
Curry chicken.
Alright.
Rice and peas.
Hold on and know. Yes, you watch a movie them, so you know Pinky, not joke.
Pinky?
Yeah man, Pinky, man, you know Pinky not friend in need.
Oh yeah. I thought that's
Who that?
good night.
So you get burger and a car, man.
Your beard's very good.
I'm if you do like an interview then about your girl how long.
So me can be here for the interview.
I told the head kind of muddy still I know. So this what movie name again? Spare the Ranch.
What we can't do without you,
Yeah.
Alright,
So
guys, I'm going to share a little bit about me.
yeah man, we know say you like cooking and everything, your first time in acting, your high school. Alright, tell me a little bit more about it because probably you're dropping some things over now. Yeah.
Well, thing about me is that I'm a working person, and yeah.
Me still can't help but think you're nervous.
No, I'm a little bit nervous.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Me can't wait to see it in front of the camera next time. I swear to God. So, what other question to ask now? Oh, did I tell me about, but I asked if you know Pinky.
Pinky?
And Friend in Need. You never watch Friend in Need?
Yeah.
So you know Pinky. So because I mentioned the curry thing now, and Pinky that talk about cooking and that talk about the curry. So I say she burned the curry and I say you don't have to burn the curry. You see me? So I same thing with you have to burn the curry?
No, not directly. What I do is when you season the meat and thing, you can throw the curry on the meat.
So you slowly cook the curry?
Yeah, but eventually it still tastes good and things.
Yeah, we know, but I said to her,
yeah,
you
don't have to burn it.
So
but once you basically put the ingredients in it.
Alright, forward on us, so forward on which part through there.
Ginger and things.
Cause me have to loosen it up some more, and no matter where I can go on, forward out. So Richie, I feel like she's still kind of nervous in front of the camera. Throw some questions at her in relation to acting. No. I cooking she did really passionate about, but she just...
No, she just have to come in front of the camera. Alright, easiest way, we call him out, man.
See, interview.
Come.
Oh, so I give them a little role.
Yeah, we don't have any.
Alright, one little audition.
First time, go on, man, come here. Say alright, go on, man. Go to her and look at him, go on, man. How is it you gonna get bro? Yo, I free. No, I never roll, man. I didn't roll, man. I didn't teeth ready.
So come now, give me roll, like we see how well she can act fast.
How are you did set him? How are you did set him? I did a chop.
Chop.
Alright, so roll, man. Hello.
No, she have to get...
Easy. Bro, but she there, come back.
Hold on.
Easy now. I'm going to play her father.
You can play her father?
Yeah, I'm going to come in. I'm going to man go introduce her. You introduce him to me. So,
alright, hold on.
Roll, man. Yeah, I scam you. Yeah, I scam her. But she now will tell me, say, yeah, I scam her. She will say, Daddy, I would like you to meet my...
Yeah, my meeting boyfriend, alright.
Since the dad I bring one boy to them father and say, hey daddy, this is my scammer boyfriend.
No, I'm going to scam it. This is my boyfriend. So I say, the young man, what kind of work do you do? Boss, you must be in between jobs right now. Where's she there? Come here. I wish you get chair right now.
That sounds so fun.
So I'm in between jobs right now.
See you? Go buy a burger and give me none, I have you up.
Don't go buy food,
I can't get that they taste bad food there. Food that not taste good, I'm forgetting that the food there.
Yeah. Kingsville. Ask him.
Alright, so Mama disappeared. I really know which part she gone.
Ask him. Kingsville like road when you drive like you drive, go straight to Lucy.
But this is about going to Jamaican new actress.
Kingsville.
No kind of movie I'll go on. But I get still I roam around the place, I get footage and share so. See what I go on the computer. See did something here we get to the movies. I just produce movies for me, This one I look on right as well. This produce movies. And that over there produce the short films. Right? Produce the short films. And they come from this camera, and this one that I'm holding in my hands. And soon this camera. So I will talk to Mama. Long time people ain't want to interview. A long time people ain't want to hear from you. No.
Stand nervous, you get nervous?
Come, we'll talk to Missy over here, so come. You then want to talk to. Come, we'll go on for nice streets and thing. Big star.
Burger. And this one won't let me eat my burger in peace. He won't let me beard off and something.
So what type of from bed?
A burger done.
You see me I eat?
Yeah, but that what type of from bed? No, bed.
No, he might wait till me done baby interview me.
You have bed for you?
Yeah, and how she look.
Alright, so we can do one a morning then. So we can do one a morning.
Yeah, when my beard off and something.
But you not like wake up early, you know, so how that will go?
We don't like wake up early.
I guess. So early a morning. Yeah,
Early
me alone I promise the people them. So bro man, I wake up to and she chop up on scene.
You can chop up on scene early in the morning. So what about people? What about out in the early everything? Alright.
Can't tell you.
Watch him with him Popeyes them. I don't know where so with burger. Anyways people, I guess you know we'll see the new actress in movies. I know we'll get now first impression on her talent or how well she do on her talent here. So yeah, little more big up on yourself, thanks for tuning as usual. If you can make it this far, definitely subscribe. Keep myself trim and well shaped. Tall man, you there?
Yeah.
I would almost cut you know.
So man, so I'm look. They must see me down.
Yeah man, they must see you.
Just keep subscribing and just keep watching me. You make we happy just as how we make we happy.
Okay.
So me I say, yeah.
Candy that going around there so.
You ready, glass? I have seen your car.
Things are happening in our place. Might as well have to ship out in our curfew, I don't know. But as I said, if you make it this far, subscribe, like the video, so all of the good things. Later.